Welcome to Entertain BA, your daily source for the latest in defense and geopolitics. Today, we're diving deep into a fascinating development in the world of military technology, the United States Army's ambitious plan to expand its high-altitude surveillance balloon program. This initiative signifies a major shift in how the Army envisions future battlefield awareness. By deploying a network of these high-flying sentinels, the Army aims to gain an unprecedented advantage in monitoring adversaries and safeguarding critical assets. Join us as we explore the details of this program, the cutting-edge technology behind it, and its potential impact on defense strategies and global power dynamics. Get ready for an insightful journey into the future of military intelligence gathering. The United States Army has been quietly developing its high-altitude surveillance balloon program for several years now. These aren't your typical party balloons. We're talking about sophisticated platforms capable of carrying advanced sensors and radars to altitudes exceeding 100,000 feet. The beauty of these balloons lies in their ability to remain stationary over a target area for prolonged periods. This allows the Army to maintain continuous surveillance, unlike traditional aircraft that require refueling and rotation. The program, known as JLENS, Joint Land Attack Cruise Missile Elevated Netting Sensor System, initially faced setbacks and budget cuts. However, recent geopolitical developments and the growing need for persistent surveillance have breathed new life into the project. The Army is now pushing for a significant expansion, aiming to deploy these balloons in various theaters around the world. The power of the Army's surveillance balloons lies in their sophisticated sensors and radars. These systems detect and track a wide range of targets, from aircraft and missiles to ground vehicles and soldiers. The advanced radar provides a 360-degree view of the airspace. High-resolution cameras offer clear images, day or night. Data is relayed to ground stations through secure links, giving commanders an updated picture of the battle space. Enhanced surveillance, seeing more, knowing more. The Army's expanded balloon program promises to significantly enhance its surveillance capabilities, providing a range of tactical and strategic advantages. Firstly, the balloon's ability to maintain persistent surveillance over vast areas allows the Army to detect and track enemy movements with unprecedented accuracy. This real-time intelligence is crucial for early warning systems, enabling rapid response to potential threats. Secondly, the balloon's high altitude provides a commanding view of the battlefield, allowing commanders to monitor enemy activity over long distances and across difficult terrain. This enhanced situational awareness enables better decision-making and improves the effectiveness of military operations. Thirdly, the balloon's relatively low cost compared to traditional surveillance aircraft makes them an attractive option for long-duration missions. This cost-effectiveness allows the Army to deploy a larger number of balloons, providing wider coverage and enhancing overall surveillance capabilities. Implications and the future of defense. The Army's high-flying balloon surveillance program has significant implications for defense strategies. This technology provides a valuable asset for protecting critical infrastructure and monitoring borders. It supports military operations in contested regions. Real-time threat detection strengthens national security. It enhances deterrence against potential adversaries. Geopolitically, these balloons could raise concerns among neighboring countries, especially in regions with heightened tensions. As technology advances, we expect more sophisticated sensors. The Army's expanding balloon program signifies a future where persistent surveillance is central to military operations. And now, shifting our focus from high-altitude surveillance to tactical air power, let's introduce the F-15E Strike Eagle. The F-15E Strike Eagle is a dual-role fighter designed for both air-to-air and air-to-ground missions. It is an all-weather, extremely maneuverable, tactical fighter built to gain and maintain air supremacy over the battlefield. With its state-of-the-art avionics and weapon systems, the F-15E has been deployed in various combat scenarios, showcasing its versatility and power. This formidable aircraft enhances the U.S. military's capability to conduct precision strikes and provide close air support in contested environments. As we continue to innovate in defense technology, the F-15E Strike Eagle remains a cornerstone of air combat superiority. Stay tuned for more in-depth looks at the cutting-edge technology shaping our world. The F-15E Strike Eagle excels in dogfighting scenarios. With its powerful engines and advanced avionics, it can engage enemy aircraft with precision. The aircraft's agility and speed make it a formidable opponent in close-range combat. Pilots undergo rigorous training to master dogfighting techniques, ensuring they can outmaneuver and outgun adversaries. Let's delve deeper into what makes the F-15E a dominant force in the skies. The twin-engine power provides incredible thrust, allowing for rapid acceleration and tight maneuvers. The advanced radar and targeting systems enable the F-15E to lock onto enemy aircraft from significant distances, providing a tactical advantage even before the dogfight begins. In the heat of battle, the F-15E's agility is unmatched. Its design allows for high G-turns and rapid changes in altitude and direction, crucial for evading enemy fire and positioning for the kill. Pilots train extensively in simulators and live exercises, honing their skills to perfection. They practice various dogfighting scenarios, from one-on-one engagements to complex multi-aircraft battles, ensuring they are prepared for any situation. The combination of cutting-edge technology and human skill makes the F-15E Strike Eagle a lethal weapon in aerial combat. As we continue to push the boundaries of aviation, the legacy of the F-15E as a premier dogfighter remains unchallenged. Stay with us as we explore more advancements in military aviation and defense technology. Drone hunting. In addition to traditional air-to-air combat, the F-15E Strike Eagle is equipped to handle modern threats such as drones. Advanced radar systems and missile technology allow the F-15E to detect, track, and neutralize unmanned aerial vehicles. This capability is crucial in contemporary warfare, where drones are increasingly used for reconnaissance and offensive operations. The F-15E's radar can identify and differentiate drones from other aerial objects, ensuring accurate targeting. Once detected, the aircraft's onboard systems can lock onto these agile and often small targets, deploying precision-guided missiles to intercept and destroy them. This is particularly important in environments where drones are used to gather intelligence or carry out attacks. Moreover, the F-15E's ability to operate at high speeds and altitudes gives it an edge in intercepting drones that might be out of reach for other defense systems. Pilots are trained to engage these threats swiftly, using a combination of radar data, visual confirmation, and tactical maneuvers. In a world where drone technology is rapidly advancing, the F-15E Strike Eagle's drone hunting capabilities add a critical layer of defense. This ensures that air superiority is maintained not just against manned aircraft, but against the ever-evolving threat of unmanned systems as well. Stay tuned as we continue to uncover the cutting-edge advancements in military aviation and defense technology. As we move forward in military aviation, the Next Generation Air Dominance (NGAD) fighter program stands at the forefront of technological innovation and strategic importance. The NGAD aims to develop a new class of fighter jets that will dominate the skies in the coming decades, ensuring air superiority for future conflicts. However, the program faces significant challenges. Budget constraints are a constant hurdle, with funding often diverted to other pressing defense needs. Additionally, the technological advancements required to bring these next-gen fighters to life are immense. From cutting-edge stealth capabilities to advanced AI systems, the development process is both time-consuming and costly. Despite these obstacles, the NGAD program remains a beacon of hope for maintaining air dominance. Engineers and scientists are working tirelessly to overcome these challenges, pushing the boundaries of what's possible in aerial combat. The future of air warfare may very well depend on the success of this ambitious program. Stay tuned as we delve deeper into the NGAD program's goals, the innovative technologies being developed, and the potential impact on global defense strategies. The NGAD program is grappling with numerous technological challenges. Developing advanced stealth capabilities, integrating cutting-edge AI, and ensuring interoperability with existing systems are just a few of the hurdles. Additionally, budget constraints are putting pressure on the program, with funding often diverted to other pressing defense priorities. Engineers and scientists are working tirelessly to navigate these obstacles, driven by the vision of maintaining air superiority in future conflicts. This chapter delves into these issues and their implications for the future of air dominance. Despite the challenges, the NGAD program remains strategically important for maintaining air superiority. This chapter explores the future prospects of the program, potential breakthroughs, and the strategic importance of developing next-generation fighters. The NGAD is not just about building a new jet. It's about ensuring that the United States maintains its edge in aerial combat for decades to come. Construction of the first Collaborative Combat Aircraft (CCA) drone has begun at General Atomics. This marks a significant milestone in the development of autonomous combat systems. The CCA drone is designed to work alongside manned aircraft, providing support and enhancing mission capabilities. The construction process involves advanced manufacturing techniques and cutting-edge technology to ensure the drone meets the rigorous demands of modern warfare. The project is expected to be completed within the next 2 years, with initial testing phases scheduled to begin in the coming months. This development signifies a new era in aerial combat, where autonomous systems and human pilots work in unison to achieve superior mission outcomes. The CCA drone initiative not only strengthens current defense capabilities, but also paves the way for future innovations in military technology. Stay tuned to Entertain BEA for more updates on this groundbreaking project. The CCA drone is equipped with state-of-the-art sensors and communication systems, allowing it to operate seamlessly with other military assets. Its design includes stealth features to reduce its radar signature, making it harder for adversaries to detect. The drone's primary role will be to gather intelligence, conduct surveillance, and provide reconnaissance support. Additionally, it will be capable of carrying out precision strikes on high-value targets, making it a versatile asset in the battlefield. The integration of artificial intelligence will enable the CCA drone to make real-time decisions, enhancing its effectiveness and operational efficiency. With these advanced capabilities, the CCA drone represents a significant leap forward in military technology. Its ability to perform multiple roles, from intelligence gathering to precision strikes, makes it an invaluable asset in modern warfare. By seamlessly integrating with other military systems, the CCA drone ensures a cohesive and effective defense strategy. The future of aerial combat is here, and it is more advanced than ever. Stay tuned to Entertain BA for more updates on the CCA drone and other groundbreaking military technologies. The development of the CCA drone is part of a broader strategy to modernize the military's capabilities and maintain a technological edge over potential adversaries. General Atomics is collaborating with various defense contractors and government agencies to ensure the success of the project. The CCA drone program is expected to create numerous job opportunities and drive innovation in the defense sector. As the project progresses, there will be a focus on rigorous testing and evaluation to ensure the drone meets all performance and safety standards. The successful deployment of the CCA drone will mark a new era in autonomous warfare, providing the military with a powerful tool to achieve strategic objectives. Stay tuned to Entertain BA for more updates on the CCA drone and other groundbreaking military technologies. Today, we introduce you to the Tornado F-2, an aircraft that is set to become the most advanced flying fighter in a private individual's hands. This chapter will cover the fascinating history, meticulous development, and key features of the Tornado F-2, highlighting its significance in the world of aviation. The Tornado F-2 is not just a marvel of engineering, but also a symbol of the advancements in private aviation technology. From its inception to the final product, the Tornado F-2 showcases a blend of cutting-edge design and unmatched performance capabilities. As we delve into this remarkable aircraft, you'll discover how it stands out in terms of speed, agility, and technological sophistication. Stay tuned as we explore the journey of the Tornado F-2, from its early design phases to its anticipated impact on the aviation community. Whether you're an aviation enthusiast or someone intrigued by technological innovations, this chapter promises to provide a comprehensive look at a game-changing aircraft. So, fasten your seatbelts as we embark on this exciting journey into the skies with the Tornado F-2. In this segment, we will delve into the advanced capabilities of the Tornado F-2, including its state-of-the-art avionics, weapon systems, and performance metrics. First, let's talk about the avionics. The Tornado F-2 is equipped with cutting-edge navigation and communication systems, allowing for seamless integration with both military and civilian air traffic control. Its advanced radar and sensor suite provide unparalleled situational awareness, ensuring that the pilot is always one step ahead. Next, we move on to the weapon systems. The Tornado F-2 boasts an impressive array of armaments, from air-to-air missiles to precision-guided bombs. These weapons are supported by an advanced targeting system, ensuring maximum accuracy and effectiveness in combat scenarios. Whether it's engaging enemy aircraft or providing ground support, the Tornado F-2 is built to dominate. Finally, let's discuss the performance metrics. With its powerful engines and aerodynamic design, the Tornado F-2 achieves remarkable speed and agility. It can reach supersonic speeds in a matter of seconds and execute complex maneuvers with ease. This makes it not only a formidable combat aircraft, but also a thrilling experience for private pilots. In summary, the Tornado F-2 is a marvel of modern engineering, combining state-of-the-art avionics, advanced weapon systems, and outstanding performance metrics. Whether in combat or civilian applications, it stands as a testament to the advancements in aviation technology. Stay tuned as we continue to explore more groundbreaking innovations in the world of aviation. In this segment, we will explore the implications of having such an advanced fighter jet in private hands. The Tornado F-2 isn't just a marvel of military engineering, it also opens up exciting possibilities for the future of private aviation. Imagine the benefits. Private owners could experience the thrill of supersonic flight and unparalleled maneuverability. This could lead to a new era of private air shows, advanced flight training programs, and even specialized aerial services that were previously unimaginable. However, there are challenges to consider. The high costs of maintenance, fuel, and specialized training required to operate such an advanced aircraft could be prohibitive for many. Additionally, there are significant regulatory hurdles to overcome, as governments would need to ensure that such powerful machines are used responsibly and safely. Looking ahead, the Tornado F-2 could serve as a blueprint for future private aviation innovations. With continued advancements in technology and increased accessibility, we might see a new class of private aircraft that combine military-grade capabilities with civilian applications. In summary, the Tornado F-2 stands at the forefront of what could be a revolutionary shift in private aviation. It embodies both the incredible potential and the significant challenges that lie ahead. Stay tuned as we continue to explore more groundbreaking innovations in the world of aviation. This video has covered a wide range of topics, from the Army's expanding balloon program to the advanced capabilities of the Tornado F-2. Each segment has provided a detailed look into the technological advancements and strategic importance of these military and aviation innovations. In my personal opinion, these developments signify a significant leap forward in defense and private aviation, showcasing the relentless pursuit of excellence and innovation. If you enjoyed this video, please like, share, comment, and subscribe to our channel. Don't forget to hit the notification button to stay updated with our latest content. Thank you for watching Entertain BEA, where we bring you the latest and greatest in military and aviation technology.